Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Welcome back to Zoom online classes. Today we will start our topic of chapter 4 of class 9, which is about animal and plant tissues, as we discussed in our previous lecture about the plant tissues. Now today in this lecture we will discuss about the animal tissues. The human body consists of 4 types of tissues: epithelial tissues, connective tissues, muscular and nervous tissues. Epithelial tissues covers the body, lines all cavities and composes the glands. Epithelial tissues is composed of cells laid together in sheets with the cells tightly connected to one another. Epithelial layers are avascular but innervated. Epithelial cells have two surfaces that differ in both structure and functions. Epithelial tissues, the interior of the body, is physically separated from the outer side world by the skin. And epithelial tissues also lines the gut, lungs and urinary tract. The skin is also made up of epithelial tissues, which is in the form of continuous sheets of the cells. Structurally, these cells are flattened and elongated. As we can see in the image that these cells, they are flattened and elongated. Epithelial tissues forms boundaries between different environment, and nearly all substances must pass through the epithelium. In its role as an interface tissues, epithelium accomplishes many functions. For example, protection for the underlying tissues from radiation, toxins and physical trauma. The main function of epithelial tissue is also absorption of substances in the digestive tract lining with distinct modifications. It's also main function about the regulation and excretion of chemicals between the underlying tissues and the body cavity. The secretions of hormones into the blood vascular system, the secretion of sweat, mucus, enzyme and other products that are delivered by ducts come from the glandular epithelium. Now we will discuss about the connective tissues and other type of animal tissue, which is connective tissue. Connective tissues is the major supporting tissue of the animal body. Its cells are scattered through extracellular material, and connective tissues having 3 major types. First one is soft connective tissue,